Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can send a video on your iMessage with drawings. You can draw and animate your videos on your iMessage by this simple trick. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Click on iMessage on your phone. Now click on this small heart icon. Click on the video icon on the right side to start taking videos. Click on the red camera icon and you can draw some animations. Type hi or an arrow if you want to point out something in the video. In fact, you can type anything you would like to. You can draw some animations. Once you are done, just send the message. And this is how the message is going to look like. This can be quite handy when you're sending a video on your iMessage to your friends and would like to highlight something in your video. So that's it for this video, guys. It was a simple trick. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye. Peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.